launches low-code IoT Cloud Service out of beta, adds new Azure instances and more. Microsoft launched its IoT Central Cloud Service out of beta today, as part of a passel of announcements aimed at providing new functionality to developers using its cloud services for building applications that tap into connected devices, data-intensive processing, and Java tools like Spring Boot. IoT Central is a new service that's designed to make it easier for developers to build applications that tap into data from and control internet-connected devices, without requiring as much code as building such systems from scratch. Customers can use the service to create virtual representations of their physical devices, then collect data, change settings, generate analytics from device data, and more. It's designed to provide a smooth on-ramp into managing IoT services for enterprises that need a little extra help getting off the ground. While managing connected devices is a natural task for cloud computing, building those services can be difficult. Microsoft's offering could help coax enterprises into its cloud, and then lead them to migrate more of their workloads to Azure in the future. In addition, Microsoft also launched a new set of storage-optimized virtual machines that are powered by AMD's EPYC processors. That's part of the chipmaker's return to the data center space to compete with offerings from Intel, which previously had a dominant hold on the market. The LV2 series VMs are designed for workloads that require high-performance I/O operations and lots of storage, like MongoDB, Apache Cassandra and Cloudera. The smallest instance comes with 8 virtual CPUs, 64 GB of RAM, 1 GB is roughly 1.074 GB, and a single 1.9 TB SSD. The highest-end instance comes with 64 VPUs, 512 GB of RAM and 8 connected 1.9 TB SSDs. Right now, the new instances are available in private beta, with broader availability coming soon. Java developers also got some love from the tech titan today, with the launch of several new capabilities for Azure and Microsoft's developer tools. The new Spring Boot starters for Azure are designed to let developers import identity management functionality from Azure Active Directory, application secrets management from Azure Key Vault, and storage capabilities from Azure Storage. All of that functionality will be available through the Spring Initial Azure, Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, Eclipse, and the CF command line interface. In addition to the Spring support, Microsoft also upgraded its Visual Studio Code text editor with the ability to remotely code written in Java or other supported languages running inside Azure Functions, Microsoft's event-driven compute service. That means it will be easier for developers to figure out what's going wrong with a function that has been written and deployed in the cloud. Visual Studio Code also gained an Azure Functions extension, making it easier for Java developers to write functions and then deploy them to Microsoft's service using the cross-platform text editor. That news comes roughly a week after Amazon Web Services announced AWS Cloud9, a web-based integrated development environment that can be used to debug functions running on Lambda, that cloud provider's functions as a service offering.